Greetings, everybody. Perfect love. Yes, this one is one that I had in the archives for a while. This is when I went to Trelawny, what people that call the yam country, And this is a yam farmer that I've been dealing with in the past, and I usually buy yam heads from him. And this is one of the trips I went to buy yam head, and he teach me how to bit yam heads so I can get the increase. So enjoy this video and learn how to bit yam heads and get increase. Blessings, perfect love.
This now,
Okay.
stop one eye say it can't be. Come cut off, say you chim up. Plant it, I will grow from here.
Okay.
Alright, this now, this have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eye. You bust it. You understand?
True.
This have a next eye. You bust it. Derick! What go on, sir, brother? Yeah. Alright, this have 2 eye, but it's small for bust. So when you have plant it now, you come, sir. So grow with the 2 eyes, so they can share 2 young.
Okay.
You understand? This?
Oh, so you just slightly chop it there?
Yeah.
Just we separate it kind
Yeah,
of?
separate it.
Okay.
This have 1 eye. This have 2 eyes, so you hit them. You see? See eye, yes, sir?
Oh, okay.
See the eye?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, cut this. Eh? No, I bust that already. Let's part it. I part it. Oh. I part the eye.
You need to slice it also.
Slice it, go too. So it will burn out too much for him, so you do it like that.
Okay.
This have 2 eye.
Yeah,
This
man.
will burn out too fast, so you part it. And plant it, so.
Okay.
That's all. And you go through. This. See?
Yes, sir.
Is it done? This now. This have 2 eye, but 1 eye can at least say just peel off it. And plant it, so
Okay.
see? And this have 2 eyes, so most of them can bit. But like this one, no more about bit. This you plant it with a small one. Like how you plant it with this one.
Okay.
So you do. This have 2 eyes. See 1 eye and 1 eye, so. So 1 eye, so you put it like so.
So me I just put it down for them, they just dry back now and
Just
seal up.
Yeah,
Okay.
and plant it.
True.
See? I get that. This have 2 eye. Oh, you know. Still our grow still. So 1 eye and 1 eye, so. Still our grow. You see me I say?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. This have 2 eye, but the 2 eye near. So you just plant it steady.
Yeah, man.
See? Plant it with a small one. This have eye. You bust it. But enough people don't like them yam make bust up.
Okay.
Like you bust them yourself.
Oh, yeah,
You
yeah, yeah.
understand? See this? See it now? So much eye upon this. 1, hold up an eye upon this. Good yam. You bust it. You bust it and you have 2 head per 1 eye. This have eye. You understand?
Yeah, man.
See that? This now. Have eye right through and through. See? So I try to send the yam where you can beat. Try to send them where you want where you can beat the neck.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Turn off a bust the algae.
Okay. So, when you dig the yam hill, you add in a leaf or grass or in the hill?
No, anti-star where you're the pan. Anti-star where you're the pan, you can't do that.
Okay.
But like who we sign over the pan clear. Yeah.
So you retain the water.
Yeah man, freestyle certain time out there you can't dig out the water. So we the pan a side where water here the pan.
Okay.
Water. You see me I say?
So if you're mixing the leaf in it, too much water.
No, it a rotten the yam them. Rotten yam. We don't have a time for that, brother. We plant too much yam for that to contain that.
Yeah.
See like up that call like Larmars and everything, where up so Manchester, them jar them in the grass and mulching and it. We don't have to do that. Freestyle stop up. So we don't have to do that.
Okay.
We don't have time, we don't stay so.
Yeah.
This are two, this can bit in a two, but we don't bother bit in this party. You understand?
Yeah, man.
This can bit in a two, so this can be so. No, we don't do them part that can freestyle are clear. So we don't contain that.
Okay. So what you do? Add the fertilizer to it?
No, we just when the yam go up and start on red fertilizer it. Let me show you. Let me bust it up, bust up on it. It don't make sense.
About how much hill you think this would have plant?
At 2 you should have me take account them for you.
Can we put one a hill, you know?
Well, like,
Because you may have the space.
well, if you have a space, I can do your thing.
So about, if I want a hill, about how much you think?
I couldn't tell you again, can we take bust them up. Enough of them small for one.
Yeah.
Like this good for one. Like this good for one.
True.
Yeah. This good for one.
Okay, but if it's too small, just put two in it and done.
Yeah. Because you have too much work in a business generally. You have too much work. You understand what I mean?
Yeah,
you
yeah.
Too much, I mean, you spend too much.
True.
Yeah. You spend too much.
Okay, so if you have small, you may just put two in there and done.
Yeah. Man. This and this now, them two here. Put them two here to one. This now, this just like one you plant it, so you bust it and you get two. It's a better beer.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah, I go for the two so like this now you put this on a small one so you plant it two. A second. But you just come out of the business, you can't do it, but you may plan more and hold it now, you can't plan them one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't plan them one.
I plan to do a 550 mil.
Oh.
So I have to go come for your next probably 200 pounds if anything. Or 300.
Oh, good man. Give me a notice.
Yeah man. Because I didn't want to see what 200 pounds look like. Because I try to remember how much we get last time again.
Yes. I can't remember myself too much.
I think I did like,
people.
Like 400 pounds or something.
We deal with too much people, right?
Yes sir.
We deal with too much people, but can't recall like that.
Yes sir.
You lose on a donkey, Ajay? 8 20 minutes. No, no, you are okay. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Try next one out a little bit more.
Okay, so them chop up, you know.